Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video. I was anticipating CMG and BKNG to drop this week. BKNG did drop last week, $135 in a single session, but I kind of missed that. I just thought it would continue to drop, but it didn't. I saw BlackRock filed a 13G filing on BKNG and CMG. So the last time I saw that happen on Expedia, it caused Expedia to go up even though they had like a crap earnings. So I'm going to stay away from those for now until I guess they're going to keep pumping. We'll see. We got a huge week. Wednesday's the rate hike decision. So what I did today was I loaded some really cheap forward calls and really cheap PLTR calls, Palantir. So you can buy these calls out till March. So the forward ones I bought, for instance, 15 strike till March 15th, and they were $2 each. So it's almost a no-brainer, and I do better with these when I buy multiple really far out for hardly anything. Last time I bought forward at $4 and sold it at $12 per contract. So I'm doing that kind of to hedge myself because I have some cash that I'm going to be sitting on until Wednesday. Because what I'm going to do is wait for the rate hike decision at 2 p.m. And normally what happens on a rate hike decision that I saw the last like 3 or 4 Fed meetings is the market will either pump up, but then it'll drop. And then it'll pump up again and then drop. So I find it's best to just wait for the decision at 2. This is what I'm doing, not financial advice. I'm going to wait for the decision at 2, see what they say. I have a feeling they're going to just pause rate hikes, but I don't think they're gonna drop the rates. And I have a feeling Powell's gonna be hawkish with the market just ripping like it is. But you never know because we're in a crazy bull run right now, and stuff just keeps going up. You'd expect a pullback, but maybe they're not gonna let it pull back because everybody's thinking it should. But what I'm going to do, and what I normally do on Powell days, and this is pretty much, I always hit on Powell days. So I'm going to see what direction the market's heading in on Tuesday and Wednesday. And what I do is I lean about 70-30. So, but I'll buy both sides. So I'm going to wait for Powell to speak at 2:30. Right when he gets started, I'm going to either buy majority calls with some puts as a hedge. And then vice versa. I might buy majority puts with some calls as a hedge. So I'm going to look for the biggest movers. I'm keeping the calls on PLTR and Ford. And the thing that sucks is Amazon's earnings are Thursday. So it's hard to play them because there's going to be so much volatility on Wednesday. I'm hoping to be able to play Amazon earnings and get in before the IV goes crazy. Because when the implied volatility goes up, the prices of the options go up. But what I'm hoping to do is get into some Amazon calls and puts and just collect the premium before the earnings report comes out. I have a feeling Amazon's going to rip up. If it does, I think it could hit somewhere between 183 to 178, something like that. So I might play that. Like I said, I'm hedging with Ford because they're $2 each, 15 strike. All I need is a good earnings report from Ford. And those contracts can be $70 each if it hits my strike. And I got till March, so they're so cheap. It's kind of a no-brainer, just a gamble for me. So I'm going to do that. But I'm going to make a video to let you know what I'm thinking about doing for Powell Day. I want to see what the market does tomorrow. And then Wednesdays today, you're really going to be able to get a feel for which way you think the decision's going to push the market up or down. So I'll keep you posted. Just want to make a quick video about what I'm doing. MSTR now, I was expecting a pump on that, and the number I had in my head was 525, and that's what it hit today. And the reason I had that number is because the daily 50 MA, it just went up and retested that. So if it breaks through that, I don't know, that's one to watch. It had so much volatility the past couple weeks. I kind of want to just stay away because a lot of times after big moves like that, they just keep it flat. So because some people made money on options, so they got to get that money back somehow. So I'm going to keep making videos. Hopefully we can crush Market Maker Wednesday. I'm going to make a video that morning once I see what's going on with the market, or like early afternoon. I'm going to make it before the rate hike decision and before Powell. And then I'm almost at 25 subscribers, so once I get that, I can start live streaming pre-market at 4 a.m. and live streaming earnings reports and Fed meetings. So it's going to be a crazy volatile week. Hopefully we can all make some money. And like they say, rule number 1, don't lose money. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. Like, oh yeah, and one more thing. So I cut my losses on BKNG and CMG. So I lost like half of what I put in. Once I saw CMG running up like that today, I got scared. And then BKNG just won't drop. It comes down $20, then it goes up $8, and they're just bleeding the options. So I'm staying away from them for a little. I'll make a video if I see an opportunity to get back in them. But thanks for watching, guys.